everyone, I'm BJ Flagg.
And I'm Rich G. And this is episode 336, AI, a new tool for a new age.
Oh yeah, we're getting into it.
Yeah, this is a big one. Folks. This is a big one. We're going to cover where we were in the past with technology, what's happening right now with AI in the present, and what's in store for our small business future when it comes to AI. So
Yeah,
we're going to be handling a lot of stuff here today.
this may be a little bit of a longer podcast. We're going to do kind of just added a clear step-by-step section to help you take advantage of AI and integrate it into your business right now. So whether you're contemplating your next big idea or seeking to revitalize your brand, this episode is packed with insight and action items to guide your journey. Welcome aboard. Let's get going, Rich.
Yeah, the big thing, and BJ, the big thing that BJ and I run into with our clients is everybody's talking about AI. It's like,
I know.
And they're getting all anxiety ridden. And we're like, no, it's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Clients either poo-poo it, oh, it's just another fad, or people go to the other end of the scale, which is they're scared of it.
Oh,
And
yeah.
so we're thinking that this podcast is really going to help open up and educate and understand and see how you could use this moving forward.
Oh, yeah. And hopefully demystify. So let's jump in.
Well, the first part is technology in the past. Okay.
Yes.
So let's talk about critical tools that have historically changed our business operations. So BJ, why don't you kick it off?
Okay. The first thing is the birth of the internet, a seismic shift in the 1990s that democratized information, connected global markets, and made 24/7 business a reality.
Yeah, we all know.
Big doings.
Yeah, and we all remember when people were like, oh, the internet. Remember on the Today Show, what's that internet www thing? So
yeah.
The second part is something we all love. Email revolutionizes our communications, but it really has.
Yeah.
Memos that took days to circulate could be sent in seconds across the globe. Email just didn't speed up communication. It reshaped the pace at which our businesses could operate.
Yeah. And think about cloud computing. You know, businesses no longer needed to maintain expensive on-site data centers. Instead, they could leverage the cloud to scale up and be flexible and cost-effective data storage and management. Excellent time.
Yeah, think about it. We're all using the cloud now.
I know.
But think about 10 years ago where people were like, oh, the cloud.
Oh, no, don't put my documents up there. Somebody could look at them. Yeah, you could.
Yeah. Mobile technology connects everyone. Think about before 2007, you just had little flip phones. Now you have access to information. You can engage with your customers. You could transact business anytime, anywhere. This level of connectivity has ushered in new business models and opportunities, making your markets more accessible.
And I want to bring up social media because it totally drives business. It's transformed marketing and customer service paradigms, offering unprecedented access to consumer insights and direct communication channels. You know, businesses, brands now can engage with their audience in real time, fostering community and loyalty in ways that traditional advertising just wasn't able to achieve. So, you know, if you think of that as the past,
yeah,
I want to think of today.
Yeah,
because I think
those were all the little AIs that we went through.
And we want to get to what is AI. What is AI? And, you know, how does it differ from tools that we've discussed? We want to demystify the AI and explore the components that are reshaping industries across the globe. Rich, what's our first one?
Well, the first one where AI is really impacting is machine learning.
Yeah.
This is a technology that allows computers to learn from the data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. When I was in corporate, I was the data guy. So I actually did this. Now we have machine learning that does it. Think about like Netflix's recommendation engine that analyzes your viewing habits to suggest new shows and movies. That's all done by machine learning.
Yeah. And it's amazing. But also think of like natural language processing. It enables machines to understand and interpret the human language. Have you ever gotten into Surrey and you said, what's the weather forecast today? Or use the Google Translate to be able to translate some French for yourself. It's amazing what can get done now.
Yeah. Then we have robotics. We're seeing lots of robotics in manufacturing. And these are machines that could perform tasks traditionally done by humans: welding, piecing, moving things. From manufacturing robots that assemble cars precisely, we've seen all those platforms that Tesla has in Austin,
Yeah,
to robotic arms in surgery, offering enhanced steadiness and accuracy. So it's at either end of the scale. You just see robotics everywhere.
everywhere. And computer vision is just exploding. It allows machines to interpret and understand the visual world. Retailers are using AI-driven surveillance to detect shoplifting incidents by recognizing suspicious behaviors. Autonomous vehicles, oh my gosh, are using computer vision to safely navigate the roads, which I heard is going to be much better for me, and interpret traffic signs and avoid obstacles. I think that computer vision is going to be the next big thing for people with low vision or blindness. It's going to be that exciting.
Absolutely. Then you have predictive analytics. And BJ, you know a lot more than about this, but AI excels at analyzing massive data sets to predict future trends. Financial institutions use predictive analytics to assess credit risk, while marketers like BJ use it to forecast consumer behavior changes.
Yeah.
Weather is all using predictive analytics. This aspect of AI informs decision making and can foresee challenges and opportunities. So it's really another powerful form of AI.
Yeah. And what's interesting, Rich, you had mentioned before, when you did a lot of data, you were doing a lot of things,
Yeah.
that now is thing. Did you lose your job because of it? No,
No.
no. Your job enhanced. You got a larger opportunity. You made other things happen. I believe AI is all around us and it helps us run our businesses better. We're more efficient and we solve the client's problems faster. AI isn't just another tool in the toolbox. A lot of people are saying that, oh, it's just another tool. No, 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 no. I think it's a revolutionary force capable of learning, understanding, and acting. And that's where things start getting exciting.
Yeah, it's true. So let's jump into the present, AI in the present.
Yeah.
What are some actual things that you might not expect that are out there? It's here, folks. Artificial intelligence is more than a buzzword. It's a transformative technology reshaping industries far and wide. It's not just Chat GPT. So let's dive into the real world applications of AI across different sectors, highlighting how businesses leverage AI to innovate, to optimize, and also disrupt the competition. So, BJ, this is your bailiwick, so have
Oh,
at it.
yeah. Oh, yeah. So the first one I wanted to do was customer service because we all have used them, chatbots. Like those used in e-commerce, giants like Amazon or eBay, they offer 24/7 assistance. So when you're up at 1 o'clock, you can find out if they do have the additional sizes you need. They handle inquiries, they resolve issues instantly. It's an amazing difference for sure.
Absolutely. The second is marketing and personalization of your marketing.
Yeah.
Analyzing customer data, AI tools can precisely tailor your marketing messages and product recommendations. Think about like Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist. It's
Yeah.
a prime example of using your listening history to curate a personalized playlist.
Yeah. And it's amazing. Of course, then your kids put on a Bluey song and your whole thing gets messed up. But I'm not getting into that. That's another podcast. Um, but finance, think of finance detection and risk management. That ability to recognize patterns and predict outcomes. I'm trying to think of JP Morgan Chase, right? They use it to algorithms, AI algorithms to monitor real-time transactions, instantly identifying and flagging suspicious activity.
Yeah.
I've used it through Bank of America this last year. Amazing how quick they analyzed something. They didn't put it through. And sure enough, it was, something fraudulent. So
Yeah, you get a phone call or an email that says, hey, someone's trying to charge
mhm,
$10,000 on your credit card. Is this
yeah,
you? And you're like, no.
no, it's my wife.
Yeah, it's my life. Another area that AI is really making major inroads is operations, and
Yeah,
it's optimizing the supply chain. AI can predict demand surges, it optimizes your inventory levels, it identifies potential disruptions in your supply chain. Companies like UPS have implemented AI to optimize their delivery routes where their drivers are told, no, you need to turn here, because it optimizes the delivery route,
yeah.
saving millions of miles and gallons of fuel annually.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Think of healthcare, enhancing diagnosis and treatment. It assists doctors to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly to, analyze medical images. It's that, in my own experience, is amazing that a person can find a diagnosis quick. They can get into a treatment cycle. It's just fantastic.
Yeah, they're finding like radiologists, computers do it better than radiologists when they're looking at x-rays and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just
It's like,
amazing.
it
So
is. So,
next
look,
up,
next up are going to be the 6 steps to integrate AI into your business. But where do we start? These steps are dedicated to you and your journey to integrate AI. Rich, get us started off with step number 1.
okay, here we go. Put on your seatbelt. Step one, identify your needs and opportunities. Okay. That's it. We always start out with this, but you have to do it.
Yeah.
Pinpoint where AI can impact your business most. Is it customer service? Is it marketing? Or perhaps maybe just a little bit of operational efficiency. For instance, a small online retailer could leverage AI chatbots to enhance customer service, providing 24/7 support without needing an extensive customer service team.
Amazing. And don't worry, your customer service team are going to have other jobs that they have to do because you're bringing in the bucks. So don't worry about them. Step number 2, start an accessible AI tools. You don't have to have a massive budget. Many accessible AI tools and platforms are designed for small businesses. Tools like Grammarly. I don't know where I'd be without that.
Yes.
Use AI to enhance written communication, and Calendly allows prospects and clients to connect with you instantly and schedule right on your calendar. That's happening right now.
Yeah.
Right now, you can do that.
Yeah, I do it all the time. I
I know.
tell you, I keep getting emails from Grammarly going, "You're a Grammarly genius. You're using it so much," and I go, "I'm not a
Oh,
genius."
oh, oh no, I just write a blog every day.
Oh. Step three: leverage cloud-based AI services. Okay, so start looking into AWS, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud AI, or Microsoft Azure,
Azure.
sorry, Azure AI. All of these platforms provide ready-to-use AI functionalities that can be integrated into your existing operations, from data analytics all the way to personalized customer experiences, enabling you to tap into AI's power without substantial upfront investment.
Yeah. And, and don't not look at the usual Microsoft Office, Google Workspace. I'm seeing that change almost daily, where
Yeah.
they're providing more and more help, in predictive, communication and things. Step 4, focus on data collection and analysis. What a shocker that Rich and I would want you to do this.
Yes.
Your business thrives on data, and more quality data you have, the better AI can perform. Start implementing systems for collecting and analyzing customer data, operational metrics, and market trends. They can provide insights that can significantly enhance your data, your decision making, and your strategy planning. So I think you're going to notice such a huge difference. In the time that Rich and I have done this podcast, 6 years, we have gone from you collecting the data on your Excel sheet all the way to this. And it's just so exciting to see.
Step 5 is educate your team and foster an AI culture. Again, you're going to get people that are going to poo-poo it. You're going to get people that have anxiety about it. So your success depends largely on your team's understanding and adoption curve. Invest in training for your staff to familiarize them with just the AI basics and create an AI positive culture that encourages innovation and experimentation, making your business more adaptable and future ready.
Yeah, definitely. And step 6 is collaborate with AI experts and tech partners. Don't go it alone. You have amazing vendors. Think of this as another amazing person that you need. You've got to collaborate with people who will guide you through your AI journey, leverage external expertise that can accelerate your AI integration, and assure that you use the technology efficiently and ethically. That is going to be the best. We want to do a wrap up. We want to talk about the future because that's our favorite part. Where is AI going? It's essential to look forward to the trends that will be shaping the future landscape. AI is not just a static field. It's like evolving and rapidly and bringing new opportunities and challenges. Rich, where do you think we're going?
I have no idea, BJ.
Oh, thank you. Thank
Uh,
you.
well, number one, BJ and I talked about this a lot, and the first thing we think of is autonomous operations.
Yes.
And that means where AI handles the daily operations from, if you've ever been in retail, inventory management to customer inquiries. I hated inventory.
Oh my Lord, it's
Without
inventory.
any,
No.
without any human intervention.
Yeah.
We're moving towards a future where autonomous operations become a reality. And it enables you to operate more efficiently and focus on strategic growth. And think about companies like Domino's Pizza are actually I know Domino's are
Domino's.
actually
But it's an
experimenting,
emergency. I must eat it.
yeah, with autonomous delivery vehicles, showcasing the potential for AI to transform business logistics and customer service.
Right. And and there's also like drones that
Yeah.
go and drop off medication to the seniors or different. Oh, it's just too exciting. I often think about the AI powered personalization because that's going to be the future of marketing and customer service, and just the engagement and the ability to deeply personalize experiences crafted by AI ability, to analyze vast amounts of data and understand the individual preferences. Businesses will increasingly use AI to tailor every aspect of the customer journey, from the personalization of the shopping recommendations to customized content delivery, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. It's just a huge area of expanse that is going to be so exciting.
Yeah, I mean, a quick story, very quick story. My son's interviewing for jobs. He actually has two offers. He's
Oh,
got.
really good.
What's interesting is we were at Macy's a few weeks ago buying him a suit. He needs it for his interviews, and we're walking around, and nothing was on sale. We're like walking, looking, and I'm going like, why shop here? We can go shop at Brooks Brothers if we wanted to. That's what the prices were like. And we were about to walk out until I just walked up to one of the people. And by the way, it was a ghost town. But there was a person working, and I asked her, I said, what's going on with the prices? And she goes, oh, the sale's on Saturday. And I go, oh, she goes, I could give you the sale price now. It's half price. And I wouldn't it been better if I had my phone and I walked into Macy's and it asked me, what are you looking for? Men's suits. Oh, we're going to have a sale on Saturday, but I could give you the price now. AI could have done that for me. And I
could have been in and out in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
yeah, very good.
Augmented workforce. Okay. The future workforce will blend humans and AI to enhance productivity and innovation. AI tools are going to augment human skills, allowing employees to focus on higher value, more creative tasks by automating basic routine work. This shift will require businesses to rethink job roles and invest in training, preparing the workforce for an AI-enhanced future.
Ooh, well, gosh, that is it for today's episode. We invite you to share this podcast on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever you'd like. Use the hashtag #TheBestSmallBusinessShow.
And thank you for tuning in to the Best Small Business Show. We really appreciate you listening to our episodes. And if this episode has been valuable to you, please subscribe, follow, and share it with other budding entrepreneurs who could benefit.
And that's it for this week. You can reach out to me at newrenew.com, or you can find Rich at richg.com.
And thanks to our editor and producer, Richard Scalzo. Have an unbelievable week, and catch you later.